Okay, recording button's on. Okay. Okay, that's the
So this,
chandelier room.
this is the space. It's a lot of space.
Yes, big. Oh, wow.
I'm trying to give it. So we have a pillar here, and
Uh-huh.
this is the other side of the room past the pillar. So we could definitely have the buffet set up over here for dinner
Okay.
and lunch. This is where the buffets will be set up.
Oh, it'll be in the
And
room. That's good.
yeah, to be in the room.
Uh-huh.
And then the the question for the day is we'll do a U shape for the actual main event, the 9th through the 3rd. Instead of
Okay.
just doing a traditional bunch of rounds, we like the U shape. I like the U shape.
I like
And
the
then that way Letitia can be walking in the middle while she's
Yeah.
talking to us. You know, like we're on the outside of the U and she'll be on the inside. So, you know,
Okay.
Charlie should have
Oh, you look skinny,
the
Darlene.
Don't she, girl?
She losing them pounds, honey. Oh my God, I gotta stop eating. I'll be the fattest
So
one.
this did you want to go live on the meeting room or what? Just go on to go live. Let's go.
Let's just go on and do it. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, I already have it set up. I just had to hit the go button.
Oh, just hit the go button.
Hit that go button, honey. Darlene over there
Yeah.
looking like Kim Kardashian, all skinny and everything. I gotta wear 2 bodysuits.
I have some room to move.
And I like that the space is naked, so they can't even get it. They're just gonna be like, "How they gonna do that? What they gonna do in there?"
All right.
So is that where they'll be bringing the stuff in? I'm just being nosy. Oh, okay. Okay.
You going behind that curtain?
Nah, I'm talking about that door, girl. That door is odd to me. So it's like, what's behind door number 1? Yeah.
All right. So, all right. The room looks amazing. It really, really does.
This will be for the main event.
Wow. I love it. I love it.
All right. Hey.
Oh, hey.
Yes.
Oh my God, I can't wait.
Jackie, honey.
Jackie. Hey.
Yes.
What's happening?
I'm loving this. Y'all are doing me so good for Dallas.
Yay.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
she has fed us. I am.
I should have flew down there today just for a day, just to taste the food. I should have did that.
Right.
So we have the two areas right here as well that are also inside of the room. So this is the door.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have those 2 sections right there. So if you want to do, you know, if you need to utilize that space, that's also available in the room.
Okay. Okay. I love it. I love it.
Y'all better get to Dallas.
Yeah, y'all better get to Dallas, boo. November 8th to the 10th. We are cranking down.
We're going into another room.
All right. Getting the backstage scene.
Oh, so this was also one of the rooms we looked at, and it is a lot smaller.
Yeah, that was a lot smaller. Wait, do a whole 360 view of that one.
If you wanted to do
This would be for the VIP dinner.
the meet and greet in here.
Oh, now we could do that.
So you put like your stuff and
The meet and greet.
the coffee or both. Like
Oh,
coffee
okay.
and coffee.
Oh. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Yeah.
Oh, it's still a lot of storage space though.
I mean, granted, if people have, can the room be locked if we're not using it or no?
Well, if we reserve the room, nobody will be able to get in or out on it, just us, because it does require a lock. It's like a room key.
Awesome.
So there's
I love it.
And we could really dial this room up for the meet and greet.
Oh, are y'all excited? We got some live viewers on here.
Yay!
Y'all better come to Dallas. Y'all better join us in Dallas, Texas. CamelSuccessNetwork.com. It's going to be awesome. Tickets are up and out. And we got speakers lined up coming up really, really soon. So that's going to be super exciting. Oh my God, what's that?
This is all of the lobby area.
Does she know we loud though? Does she know? Did you tell her? I want to be there and be like,
it's gonna be another frat party here that night, so I think it'll be all right.
okay. They'll drain our sound out. When
Right.
we get in the spirit, you know, we God-fearing women, so just let her know that we may be falling out.
And then this is another area in the lobby.
Okay.
I'm not going too fast, am I?
No, you're not. You're good.
Okay.
You're slow and steady. Awesome. Let me see the comments here. Yes. This is amazing.
I don't want to give too much.
Don't get too much. Just like it's a little taste.
Okay.
I love it. I love it.
But this also could be used as a meet and greet or the coffee.
Okay.
So you just have to pick which one you like better.
Okay.
Go in. Go in.
We can't go in.
Oh, sorry.
But it's just like the other room, just not as fancy. It's a little bit bigger, but no storage.
Got it. Got no storage. Okay, we need storage. Yeah.
Yeah, I like the other one better. All right, we're going upstairs. Yeah, we might lose connection, but if we do, we'll figure it out.
Awesome. We're gonna stay right on. Stay right with y'all.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's right. We did have that one reserved already. All right, so we're gonna go to the VIP dinner room. So I'm gonna turn the camera off because I don't want them to see that before that day. But I'll
turn the camera off on my end, and you'll just keep talking. I'll turn the video. Yeah, turn the camera off on your end, and just so we can see the video. So sorry guys. So Alita's turning her camera off because she's gonna take a look at the VIP dinner room, and that's only for our VIPs who are attending the event. So we're going to be looking at that.
This will be a nice place to decorate.
Oh, wait. If I pin my video, I'm going to pin my video. Hold on. And maybe you could turn your video off.
Oh, on my phone?
Yeah. Darlene's going to do a video for you, Letitia.
You're like, oh.
And then we'll send it to you in the messenger.
Oh, yeah. So let Darlene do it on her phone. And yeah, that worked. That worked.
Yeah,
that will work. Yes.
You know I'm silly.
I should have flew down there today.
Yes, girl. Right.
Girl.
I like
well, next time I'll do that. Next time,
right.
Definitely.
I see it. And we're gonna have music playing in the ambiance. It'll just be a light jazz and it's a VIP dinner.
Light jazz.
Chad, look at her eyes. She's got the light. Yeah. Was that a no?
Smooth jazz or no?
Yeah, we could do some smooth jazz. Yeah.
Smooth jazz.
I'm gonna give you guys my Alexa so you can just pick what you want.
Awesome. That worked.
You can take it up. You can hip hop or, rap.
Country.
Thank you, Jackie.
You're in Texas. You gotta do country.
This is so much fun.
Yeah.
I love it. I love it. How do you like it, Alita? You get a good feeling, a vibe, everything's good.
Oh yes, yes, very very elegant, up class, upscale. It is beautiful, and then in the evening, it's really gonna glow. Yeah, it's really gonna glow at night. It's plenty of light. you should not have any bad pictures
Mm-hmm.
in the area that you stay in. You don't have to be like, we gotta go find like.
But does she mind us taking pictures in the lobby area, like some action shots? You know, just like one by one at a time or whatever.
No, we had already discussed that as well.
Okay.
That you're
Oh, I think she broke. What'd she say?
oh, we had it.
we're in the elevator.
Yeah. One moment.
Okay, I'll hold. I'll hold.
Can you hear me?
Yep, I can hear you.
Okay, so this is us getting off the elevator right now.
Ooh, yes, yeah. Me likey.
Excuse me. Child, you know I'm lagging.
Yes.
I know, right?
Let me refresh my screen here. Y'all can still hear me, right?
Going to the suite first. I think we're going to your suite. Do you want us to show that?
I don't want to get people jealous. I have a show a regular room.
Okay. Ooh. Okay, yeah, she said,
Make sure nobody in there.
Video. It's cute. Darlene's gonna hook you up with the footage. Oh yeah. She got up. I'm like, oh, this.
I got about open. I'm like, that's what I'm ready. Like, let me get it.
Scathe in your room. You could actually have guests in here, and also your room could be private. So it's really nice.
Yeah. You know, we're keeping all the swag bag stuff in y'all's room. Just say.
Right. Yeah.
I
I'm
need
gonna have
like.
it in your room. No.
Yeah. And we'll get that settled. So y'all, those of y'all who are watching live, this is our regular Dallas event planning meeting. For those of you who are interested in either being a guest, a speaker, or a virtual attendee for Dallas, oh gosh, you don't fell down. It's the spirit, y'all. Go to camelsuccessnetwork.com and learn more information about the event. It's going to be amazing, guys. So next level stuff. So right now we're just taking a tour of the venue, making sure everything is in its place. Yes. You fell down, Alita. She saw the room and she fell out. It's the spirit. I need them earrings when I get down there. That's all I got to say.
Okay. Wrapped up for you, ready to go.
Yeah. Oh God, this is awesome.
It is really pretty. You're gonna love it.
Darlene's taking a video.
Yeah, she'll send it to you.
Tell her to get the good quality part. I'm gonna see the bathroom too. I'm a bathroom girl.
She said she wanted to see the bathroom too.
Oh,
she did.
I want to see what my butt is gonna be sitting on for a couple of nights. Is that 2 doors in one room? Oh, that's like a conjoint room then. Oh, you're on mute, mama. You're on the mute.
Yeah, it's just one room. You have like your living room area, then you have your bedroom area.
Oh.
And there's a space, a desk and everything, and yeah, and got a little kitchenette.
Yeah.
So it's a really nice space. Really nice space. I think I missed a couple of things, but you'll get the gist of it.
Awesome.
Sleep for us, and I'll just sleep on the pull out, or because they only have the king bed.
Okay.
So one night you take the bed, and another night
it don't matter.
Y'all like, listen, the team makes it happen. That's why you need a team.
Right. So,
yeah.
All right. Here's Lily. Hide in the room so nobody.
Okay.
It's kind of hard not showing it.
Room, right? We can show the regular rooms, right?
Yeah, show the regular room.
All
right. This is so funny.
That's cute.
Therese, if you're on here, if you can share this live in the speakers group so the ladies can chime in and look at it.
Yeah, that's nice.
Or Marielle, You're on. Yeah. Share it in the speakers group, guys. Yeah. Ooh, yes. Ooh.
They need to come to Dallas. We really want to see everyone that can get here.
Those who don't come is going to be straight up jealous. Like,
Yes.
that's it. You know what I mean? Like, for real, for real.
They're going to be straight up jealous.
They're going to be like, oh, Tisha, I didn't know you was going to do it like that. Because you are the fruit. You know what I mean? That's what the fruit does. Okay.
Yes. Right. It's real cute. Mm-hmm. So we're going up to the other room.
Okay. That's nice. Yes, you walk
This
around.
will be one of the VIP rooms, actually.
And tell Jackie this is not the last time we're going to be there now.
All right.
Okay, we're gonna show Dallas a whole heap of love, honey. Yes.
I know.
Awesome.
Right.
6:26.
I think that side room will be a.
Okay.
Hello? Oh yeah, knock on that door now, yeah. Because we all live.
Okay.
Amazing. She checking the bed. Look at look at the legs of that.
Yay.
She's taking that bed. Oh, both the she going both the, okay. I hear that. They both gotta be in proportion with the first one. I hear that. Absolutely. Oh my God, I love this. Awesome.
So they'll be able to really, they got their little mirror up when they get ready, making sure they all together.
Yes. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Oh yeah. Bring your leftovers.
She's like,
got some for your leftovers.
yes, honey.
You know.
Your alcoholic beverages.
Yeah. Whatever your leftovers are.
There will be a lot of leftovers.
With your shoes and your coats and your hats.
Oh, that's nice.
You gotta have the full length now.
Go ahead, girl. Show it, honey. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Nice shower too.
Oh, wow. I love the countertops. I love it.
Boom.
Cacao.
Take the room.
Cacao.
No curtains, honey.
No curtains, honey.
No curtains, okay?
No curtains, sweetie. No curtains, sweetie. Yes, sweetie.
Okay.
Oh my God, I love it. 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 Yes.
Okay. So that's it.
You wasn't playing, Teresa. You was like, I'm about to go down there and see what's all about. You wasn't playing. I love that. I love it. I love it. All right. I think we're good, guys. We're good. I'm happy. I'm happy.
Yes. All right.
All right. Let's get out there. All right. I'll talk to y'all in a bit. Bye, guys.
Bye.